In this video, we will study the concept pointer to pointer. As we know, we can store address of variable, address of string, address of function, and address of structure variable in a pointer variable. Similarly, it is possible to store address of pointer variable into another pointer variable. That is, we can create a pointer to point to another pointer. It is also called as chain of pointer or multiple indirection. Normally, a pointer contains the address of a variable. When we define a pointer variable to a pointer, one pointer contains the address of another pointer, which points to the location that contains the actual value. We will see this concept by using diagrams. So suppose there is one variable and we want to save the address of that variable. Say the variable is a, which holds the value 25. So we can save that variable's address by using one pointer variable. So suppose ptr1 is the pointer variable. So in this variable we can save the address of a. Now suppose if we want the address of pointer variable ptr, we can take another pointer variable ptr2, and in that we can save the address of pointer variable ptr1. So here ptr2 is holding the address of ptr1. So basically, if you see, ptr2 is holding the address of ptr1, and again ptr1 is holding the address of variable a. So indirectly, by using ptr2, we can access the value stored in variable a. So that's why it is called as multiple indirection. Now we will see declaration of pointer to pointer. A variable that is a pointer to pointer must be declared using addition star operator in front of pointer variable name. So this is the example of declaring pointer to pointer variable. So if you see, we have used two star operators before the variable, which indicates that it is used to save the address of another pointer variable. Now we will see one small program based on this concept. So first, that is program starting void main, and it should be in opening and closing brackets. So at the start we have declared three variables. The first one is normal variable, that is a. Second and third one, that is pointer variables, but the first one, that is star ptr1, is used to save the address of another variable, whereas two star operator followed by ptr2. So there are two star operators, means basically it is used to save the address of another pointer variable. Next we have initialized a variable a by 25. So in this line we are initializing ptr1, that is pointer variable, by the address of variable a. So and A means what? The address of A will be stored in ptr1. In the next line, we are trying to initialize ptr2 by the another pointer variable's address. So and ptr1 means the address of ptr1 will be initialized to ptr2. So in the next line, we are trying to print the value stored in ptr1. So when you write pointer variable without any operator, so we are here printing ptr1. That means it will print the address stored in that variable. So ptr1 is basically holding the address of A. So this line prints the address of A. So similarly, ptr2, so here we are printing the value stored in ptr2. So again, we are directly just printing the ptr2. That means the address holding by that variable will be printed. So basically, ptr2 is holding the address of pointer variable ptr1. So this line prints the address of ptr1. In next line, instead of ptr1, we are printing star ptr1. So when we use star while printing any pointer variable, it will print the value which is stored in that address. So basically, ptr1 is holding the address of A. That means in that address, the value which is stored, that will be printed. So basically, the address of A will be holding the value 25. So that will be printed on the screen. So just see the difference between ptr1 and star ptr1 while printing. So when you use pointer variable to print without any operator, it will print the address held by that pointer, whereas when you use star ptr, that means the value which is stored on that address, that will be printed. So now we will try to print pointer variable, that is second pointer variable. So because that pointer variable is used to hold the address of another pointer variable, that's why there are two stars. So 2 stars and then ptr2. So here what will happen, ptr2 is holding the address of ptr1. So again, ptr1 is holding another address, that is address of A. So that means the value which is stored in address of A, that will be printed. So again, the same value will be printed, that is 25. So this line, that is star star ptr2, will print the value which is stored in variable A. So that's why this is called as multiple indirection. That means it is indirectly printing the value stored in that normal variable. So here ptr2 is holding the address of ptr1. So again, if you see, ptr1 is holding the address of A. That means the value which is stored in address of A, that will be printed on the screen. So here also the value which is holding by A, that will be printed. So 25 will be printed on the screen.